Hello, hello, hello. We're doing a past test, ratios and rates topic 2009 test. This video just going to be the 2009 test. I'll give you a chance. You do a question, then when you unpause, I'll do it for you. So you go, I go, you go, I go, over and over. Let's get started. I hope you enjoyed the poster. Yakutate, Japan. I'm going to write that down. Yakutate, Japan. It is hilarious. I would love to show you a clip from it, but copyright and all that. Yakutate, Japan. It is a comic, but in this case, for once, I actually do recommend the anime. He likes baking bread. That what he has there? That's Mount Fuji in bread form that he's made there. And Japan he's trying to make the national bread of Japan because there isn't one. There's such a thing as English bread and French bread, German bread, but no such thing as Japan's bread. And pan means bread, so Japan. It's a pun. So check it out. It's hilarious. I'm going to get rid of that and let's do some maths. But yeah, changing posters just whenever I feel like it, because I don't like being bored. Moving on. Past test. So I want you to have a go at question one, then I'll do it. So I am going to do it in 5, 3, 2. Simplify. 4 to 8. 4 goes into both of them. 1 to 2, and you're done. If you want to do it with a calculator, 4 over 8 gives you, and then you have to write it as 1 to 2. If you could do 4 divided by 8, that's fine too. And if it gives you as a decimal, you press that button, 1 to 2. You have fun. 50 kilometers in 2 hours. So that is, you write it as a ratio. 50 kilometers. Oh, wait. Meant to give you a chance to do it. I'm doing it. Now I go. So I'm going to divide both of these by 2 here, and that's 25 kilometers in 1 hour. And we can write that as 25 kilometers per hour. Now that's the ratio way to do it. But if you want to do it rates way, so what we're finding here is that's way too small. I'll make it bigger. Distance, speed, time. Well, here is we're finding the speed. So speed is equal to distance over time. 50 kilometers over 2 hours. 25 kilometers per hour. Same thing. Ratios, rates. It's actually the same thing. Bit of a sneaky thing. Okay. Right, the ratio for shaded to total. Oh, they should have started with this one. Easy question. Shaded, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 shaded. Total squares, it's 4 by 4. 16. I didn't give you a chance to do it. And you can't even simplify that. So that's done. All right, this time I'm going to let you have a go at it. I'll do it in. So dividing this. So we're going to split 45 into 5 equal parts. Why 5? Because we're splitting it into a ratio of 2 to 3. So if you split into 5 equal parts, it becomes straightforward. Oh, you get 2 of them, you get 3 of them, done. So 45 divided by 5. $9 per part. So first person, or whoever it is, gets 2 lots of 9, 18. Second person, 3 lots of 9. They get 27. Wow, that's badly written 18. Right, your answer is clearly to get full marks. 18 to 27. Done. I'm going to scroll down in 3. All right, I want you to have a go at that. I'll do it in. Wow, this is not a C-level question because it's a one-stepper. Now, you can't do that in a calculator, so maybe that's why they thought it's C-level, but no. Divide by 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. 21 divided by 3, 7. Not a C-level question. Not at all. All right, have a go at the next one. And I'm going to do it in 16 boys, 28 students, simplified ratio of boys to girls. So there are 28 total. We assume everyone in the class is either a boy or a girl. That's the assumption they're making. You can't do that anymore. Girls equals 28 total minus the boys. So there's 12 of them. So boys to girls, 16 boys to 12 girls, and divide that by 4. Can do that in a calculator as well. 4 to 3. Have a go at the next one. I'm going to do it in 12 centimeters to 30 millimeters. Units are not the same. 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters, so you have to times by 10. Actually, no, that's a silly way to do it. Easier way to do it. No, sorry. Put them both in centimeters. 12 centimeters, that's 3 centimeters. It's 12 to 3. And now let's just divide by 3 and get 4 to 1. That's a nice way to do it. That's a nice way. So just in case you've forgotten, millimeters to centimeters. Centimeters to millimeters times by 10, other way, divide. That way's quicker. All right, have a go at the next one. I'm going to do it in this one. Oh my, just use your calculator, save you so much hassle. Even I do it in my calculator. So we go the first one, 3 3/4. So I did the shift fraction button. Shift fraction button to do that. Show you again. Shift fraction. 3 1/8. 6 to 5. Not a C-level question. C-level? Yeah, not a C-level because calculator does it. Now, if you wanted to do it as a fraction, so you fraction button, and then what goes on the top? Shift that, 3 3/4, and shift that. This way, it's easy to make a mistake. Division button actually works better. Done. Oh, if you want to do it by hand, here's how you do it. Make them improper fractions, 3 12. I'm going to times by 8. Oh, just times by 4, actually. 15. And you get 25 over 2. Times by 2. 30 to 25. Divide by 5. 6 to 5. So that's C-level, but calculator, easier. Scrolling down. Next one, have a go at 9. I'm going to do it in. So you're going to find the cost of purchasing 20 kilos. I don't think this is B-level. C-level at most. 12. No, I could even put this at D-level. This is the unitary method. Find the cost of 1 kilo. That divided by... So actually just did the 2018 test before this. We already had this question. It was 2.9. We had the same question, except this time they didn't walk you through it. Last time they made you find the cost of 1 before telling you to find 20. But this time, they didn't. All right. Yeah, I did this one as well. Man, they're getting lazy. They're just using the same questions year after year. All right. Have a go at 10. I'm doing it now. So this one, it's got 2 people putting money into a business. And the big thing is this bit. Profit is shared in the same ratio that they contributed. So John put in way more money than Kelly. He should get more money out of it. he should get a bigger share of the profit. 42,000 to 14,000. What's that ratio? Put in the calculator, you'll get 3 to 1. And that's John to Kelly. So now we split this large amount of money in the ratio 3 to 1. So we're going to split that into how many parts? 4 parts. And John will get 3 of them. Wait, I'm just going to pause for a bit. Yeah, when I did this question last time, I got it wrong because I thought John was the 1 part, but no, John's the 3 part. Silly me. So we do that. Division. 376,564 divided by 4. And it's 94,141. If you did the long division, you'll see that's straightforward. And then John gets 3 of those. John's share is 3 lots of that, which is 272,82,82,423. Let's check that though, because I am not confident. So 376,564 divided by 4, 94141 times by 3, 282,423. Got it. So that's it. I'm going to scroll down and all right, A-level. 3 A-level questions, quite rare. Normally only get 1. All right, I'm going to do the first one. So 72 liters per hour, 72 milliliters per hour, which is 1,200 milliliters a minute, which is 20 milliliters per second. So liters to milliliters times by 1,000. We went from per hour to per minute. So you can do this much in an hour. You can only do a lot less in a minute. So divide by 60. You can do this much in a minute, this much in a second. Divide by 60 again. Hey, finally, a new question. Ooh, algebra. So I don't think I've done this with you guys at all. It's the same principle. Look for common factors. So if we look at the numbers 40 to 50 to 13, if we divide by 5, and you get 8xy to 5x squared to 10x cubed y. You got 8, 5, and 10. You can't simplify that any further. Now they've all got x's. First one's got 1, second one's got 2, third one's got 3. We can divide by x. And you'll get 8y to 5x to 10x cubed y. Can't get rid of any more x's because the first one doesn't have any. And now we can't do anything because the second one's only got y's. Oh, that one's done. No one of those 3 of them. That one's actually a quick one. He didn't give you much space either. Yeah, we can divide by per numerals the same way we divide by numbers. And this one here. Garden drip irrigation. Flow rate 3.6 liters per hour. How much is used per week? So that thinking, just times it by 24 to get per day, times by 7 per week, and I'm done. But then, no, twist. It's only turned on for 15 minutes a day. So you're going to find out how much per day, and then times that by 7. So 3.6 liters per hour So that's equal to 3.6 liter per 60 minutes. And how much is that per 1 minute? Whoa, gonna have to divide here. Divide by 60. That's 0.06. And then for 15 minutes, times by 15. Just to show you that, 3.6 divided by 60. 0.06 times by 15.9. So that's per day. So therefore, it's 0.9 liters per day. And we want per week. Times by 7, because there's 7 days in a week, and we're done. So that's a test. I'd just done half that test already. Video I recorded before this, which I don't think I'll show you because I didn't like that test. So yes, sorry I didn't explain that much, but the whole point is you do it and then you see if you got it right. All right, stopping now.